Hey guys, my name is Crystal and welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. Today I'm going to be talking about why I drive for Uber and Lyft part-time and other projects that I work on when I'm not driving. But before I get into this video, please give it a thumbs up and that's going to help us so much. Also, feel free to subscribe to the channel to receive more videos on Uber and Lyft. Now, let's get into my other projects that I work on when I'm not driving. So, number one, my main gig is I am a self-employed freelance makeup artist. So that is where I would like most of my money to come from. So basically, I get my clients, I go to their homes or venues, and then I apply their makeup. Once I'm done with their makeup, which takes about an hour, I'll turn on the app and I'll start driving from their home and picking up passengers. Because Uber and Lyft is a great part-time job and it's a great way to earn extra money. It has actually helped me supplement my income, so I'm really grateful for having that. Okay, so the second thing I do is I create content. So sometimes it takes a little while to create content for YouTube or Instagram. So, for example, I started working with a beauty app called Prism Pop, and so what I do is I record a video, then I edit the video, and then I submit it for approval, then I edit it again, and then I resubmit it, and all of that takes time. Sometimes it takes a couple of hours a day, so it really just depends on what video I'm making and how well I do it first time around, but that takes time. The third thing I do is I'm a nanny. As you see, there's a car seat in this car. I'm a nanny to my niece and nephew, so sometimes I will watch them because daycare is extremely expensive. My sister decides that, hey, I'm self-employed, why don't I watch the kids? So sometimes I will, and I love doing it. So that's rare for me to watch them, but sometimes I will, and I really enjoy it. Last but not least, I am currently working on an event that I created in my hometown. So I was a former event coordinator. I was a former professional event coordinator. And so I have the skills to coordinate events. So I pretty much created my own event in my hometown called the Bakersfield Catwalk Fashion Show, and it benefits my dad's memorial scholarship. So I have recently been working on this fundraiser, and I have a team of people to help me with it, and so that has been taking a lot of my time because, you know, you have to go out and find vendors, I have to go out and find sponsors, I have to meet with a team to get everything settled, and I've been working on this project, but it's all worth it because I'm raising money for a good cause. I mean, these scholarships are going to go out to college students, and my dad would just be so happy if he were still alive to see that we're continuing his legacy since he was actually a college counselor. But that's beside the point. So that was my fourth project. I'm event coordinating, and that's what I do when I'm not driving for Uber and Lyft. So when I do have free time, I'm driving and I'm earning money. So there you have it. That's why I drive part-time for Uber and Lyft. That's why I drive part-time for Uber and Lyft, and those are the other projects that I'm working on when I don't drive. So thank you for watching. Once again, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to the channel. And so that's all. Thank you for watching, and this has been another episode of the Rideshare Hub. See you next time.